Welcome back, y'all, to another show with Knits and Stitches. Today I'm just going to do a little short video, kind of simple, to show you how to form your base chain for your pattern. So today I am going to be using the number 5mm H hook. I have a little bit darker grayish blue yarn here I'm going to be working with. It's a weight 4 by Premier. Just a regular, it's called Sky. So let's go ahead and create our chain. So what you could do is I take my yarn and I wrap it around my fingers, grab the yarn, tuck my yarn under, and then pull it down. That way you've got your loop here. Your loop is formed. Put your needle into the loop, grab your yarn and pull it tight around. Now you don't want it too tight again because you want to be able to let that needle glide as you're working your pattern. Okay, and it doesn't really matter how you wrap your yarn. Everybody does it their own way, whatever is more comfortable for you. So let's go ahead and create the chain. So what you do is you have your needle here, and you're going to wrap the yarn and pull it through the hole. So you're going to wrap and pull, wrap and pull through. And you're going to just kind of keep continuing that with the wrap and pull pattern here. Wrap and pull. So as you can see, you're kind of creating a chain here. So I'm going to do a kind of a few more here to kind of let you see. So kind of go a little slower on here. So wrap your yarn, pull it through the hole, wrap your yarn, pull it through, wrap and pull. It's pretty simple as far as the chain, depending on how long of a chain you need. For example, if you're working on a pattern and the pattern says chain 20, 40, 100 or whatever, you just want to keep kind of going in that particular pattern to create your chain. Now one thing you want to always remember is when you count your stitches, as you see here on there's loops here. Each one of these loops is a stitch. You do not want to count the slip knot here, and you don't want to count the one that's on your hook. So let's see what we have here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 17 stitches in my chain. So depending on the size of the pattern that you're working with and that, you want to keep going until you have that many stitches in your chain. And it's pretty simple. You can start this chain with pretty much any stitch that you're working with. The single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, treble. We're going to get into those. Now I do have videos. If you look down on my video list, I do have one that shows you the single crochet. There is a double crochet, and then our next one is going to be a half double crochet. But this is pretty simple. Not very long video to kind of show you all. I did how to do a chain. So this is the chain. So let's just do a few more. Just kind of wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap and pull through. And then you could just keep, once you get the hang of it on holding the needle in that, you can actually kind of get a little faster with your knits and stitches there. Okay, so that is kind of the basic how to create a chain base of your pattern. So again, guys, thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you next time.